I think I'll be all right. You see if I'll go away.
Yeah, it should be okay.
I mean, just don't damage your shit.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I thought that's what it was. And it's on. You know what this is? This is a GoPro Black. It's $700.
I know. Did you find it outside in the parking lot?
I was pulling in, and there all of a sudden, right smack dab, and it had a little yellow, the red light caught me. It's like somebody was doing some, how do you say it?
It was on their car.
Somebody had it on a car.
Hey, you just need to get a new case for it, which is $25 at Best Buy.
Hell! No way I can figure. Well, maybe there's an address inside. I'll have to take it home and put it on the computer. What is going on, guys? My name is Amir and welcome to Street Production 303. And right now I'm waiting for some friends to pull up and we're gonna cruise together to a Cars and Coffee event. And then there's an event afterwards called Mike Ward. It's kind of like Cars and Coffee. I've never gone to this event. I heard there's a lot of exotic cars and it should be a fun day, and my friend should be pulling up any minute. I can actually hear his car coming up. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but first I gotta go get a car wash on the way there because the car's filthy and it's full of dust. You guys can't probably see it. There they are. What's up, man? How you doing?
Hello, man.
Hi,
Good to see
hi.
you, man.
Good to see you, man. You guys still like? Are you guys awake? You waking up?
Gotta wake up right
I
now,
had
bro.
mine already, though. Hey, man. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you in person finally.
you.
Dude, this looks good. I think these rims are sick.
I like them.
They're sick, and look, they're like flush and it's perfect. That looks good.
Yeah, it came out really well, though.
All right, you guys ready? I gotta go cold start. The GoPro fall right off of Charles's spoiler that I put on. As soon as we took off, it fell right off the car. And then we went back, pulled over. I ran up and down the street because I don't want to lose my GoPro. There's a guy in Taco Bell that came right out at that intersection. And he came out, he's like, hey, is this your guy's GoPro? Thank God we got it back. We're about to pull up to the Cars and Coffee event anyway. The GTR club?
No, we don't accept Corvette.
But it's a 2019 GTR.
So, no,
The special edition.
you just gotta go, dude.
Haters. Hey, f***ers.
What up,
Hey,
dog?
what's up?
Are you guys gonna come outside or are we just gonna?
No, it's more. It's like the Bahamas in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell. We're at this is Cars and Coffee, not sitting in Charles's GTR
Well, you can't.
and drinking coffee.
You can't jerk me off from out there.
Well, I was asking him this thing he sent me this morning. It said, "Oh my V." So I was like, "Does
You're
that
gonna
mean
have
oh
to
my vagina?"
Oh my V, yes.
What does that "oh my V" mean?
got the wifey, picked her up, we dropped off the kid, and we're headed to Mike Ward. The rest of the group, I think we lost them all. Oh, there's way more cars this way. Oh, shit. Look, so many cars this way. Sounds good. Do you see him anywhere? Where? Oh. I was like, where the hell did you guys go, man? I didn't even make it down. I didn't know there was all these cars down here. What's up, man? How are you, bro? Good to see you, dude. Good to see you.
Hi, Zach. How are you?
Good, how are you?
See you.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm getting ready to roll out. I got a lot of other things to attend to today, but this is crazy. I think I'm gonna start coming here more often because there's a lot more exotic cars to see. And Cars and Coffee is fun too, but plus this is not early in the morning, which I hate getting up 6, 7 in the morning. It was so much fun. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care and be safe.